Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about summarize tool in Alteryx. So this is at here Alteryx designer. So first I am going to drag one input data inside the workflow. Now hereafter connect or file or database. So we can connect with file or database. So going to use add here Oracle database and a Scott schema, and inside EMP table going to use, and if you select a star, so it will select the all columns. Now hereafter first I'm going to run it, and hereafter if you select this, so here you can see this is the record inside EMP table. Now this DPT number has some duplicate value, and here cell columns is there. So if you want to display this in the order wise, so you can click on this triple dot and make this select this option, and here sort you can use ascending or descending. So after doing this, let's click on rerun. So it's running, and here you can see this is now in order wise. Now let's go to transformation, and here if you click this summarize tool, so by using summarize tool, so it summarizes data by grouping, summing, counting, spatial processing, string concatenation, and much more. So let's see by example, dragging add here summarize tool inside the workflow. Now let's stabilize the link, and hereafter this is the option. Now let's take reporting, so reporting text here. Now drag this link, and hereafter click this. So you need to select this. You can select all, none, numeric. If you click on all, so it will select all. If you click on none, and here it only select numeric fields, and here this will select only this is string fields, and here if I click spatial, so there is no any spatial here. Now hereafter if you can select the manually. Okay, so manually I'm going to here, if you select here cell. Now here you can do on cell columns like group by sum, count, last, first, this all values. So if you want to display sum of salaries, so click on sum here, selected. You can rename this output field too. So let's see about the sum of salary. So it will calculate the sum of salary of this. So it will calculate the sum of salary. It will add entire table salary. Now if you correct this one, and hereafter the next is, here I selected DPT number, so you can make this DPT number in group. So put in the group, and hereafter if you run, here you can see at this place here it will do the sum of salary according to group by. So 10 sum of salary 8750, 20 10,875, 30 9400. Now hereafter the next is, so DPT number, it's I'm going to select once again, and I want to count how many times of DPT number. So you can use count function. Now you need to run this again, and comes to this point. So 10 3 times, 25 times, 36 times. Now let's select once again, and hereafter the next is, so here you can use first and last function. So in 10 the first is 7783. So here select DPT number, and let's use first. Okay, now if you run this, so here you can see, so 10 here the sum of salary, and the first is 10, so 10, and here in 20 is the first, 30 is the first. Okay, like this. If you want to if you want to remove some parts, so here you need to click this, so it's removed. Now EMP selected, and here I'm going to click on select the last. Now in the last here, 7934. Now you can see 7934, it's displaying. You can use first loss hereafter, or you can do some operation on the add here. Now this is selected numeric field, and here if I select this string, so this all disable. So here let's select string fields, and hereafter let's go to a string, and here you can do the concatenation. So let's do concatenation of ename. So ename is like 10. Ename is Clark King Miller. So it will do the concatenate these threes. Now run the workflow and you can see. So here Clark King Miller 10 in one group, and this in one group, this in another group. So like this you can perform any kind of operation. This all spatial report here finance, mean, max, count, null, distance, this all those things. So this is the use of summarize tool in Alteryx designer. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.